Hi there, and welcome to Behind the Yellow Door at Two Friends. Come on in and let me show you what's happening this week. Hey guys, and welcome to Behind the Yellow Door. Got lots of fun things I want to show you and talk about this week that I think you'll love. First, I'm going to tell you about this beautiful hand towel by Pilgrims. Now, this is a company that's here on St. Simon's. Julie Rowland is a sweet friend of mine. She owns this company, and for Thanksgiving, she's doing these beautiful hand towels with a linen ruffle bottom. Now, one of the things that we can do on this is we can personalize these with your two-letter monogram. She's got this beautiful antique two-letter monogram, and it says, "Magnify him with Thanksgiving," Psalm 69:30. These are $38, personalized just for you. So if you're headed to someone's house for Thanksgiving, you need a hostess gift, or you want something new and pretty in your kitchen, let's order these. We can turn these around in just 2 or 3 days. And if you're ordering online, these are also on our online store, but order quick so we can get these out to you in time for the holiday. Next, I want to tell you about these great cups and napkins with this beautiful turkey motif. These are from Emily McCarthy out of Savannah. We now carry her line. We've carried several lines that feature her particular monograms on them in the past, but we just ordered these from her that are great for your Thanksgiving entertaining. These are also online. They run from $12 to $14. And y'all, the napkins are such a nice quality. They're good, heavy napkins that I think you'll love. We have the foam cups. We have the Frost Flex cups, which are the ones that can go in the dishwasher. So we also have her cheetah motif. This is one of her most popular prints. We have these in the to-go cups, which have the lids so that if you want to take your coffee on the go, these are great to take along. These also come in the Frost Flex and in the Styrofoam cup as well. Also wanted to tell you about 4 brand new books that arrived today. The first one is the Vera cookbook. Y'all may remember we had Vera here. She is from Augusta, and had her for a book signing back earlier in the year. Her cookbook has been such a hit, and we finally got this back in stock. The second book that we are absolutely swooning over is Joanna Gaines' brand new homebody book. We all have thumbed through this and just love it. So I think this will be a great gift book for someone who loves Joanna or loves beautiful homes. The next 2 cookbooks that came in today, the first one, y'all may remember this, What Can I Bring by Elizabeth Haskell out of Oxford, Mississippi. This has been absolutely one of our top cookbooks. Super gift book, but her brand new cookbook, the Southern Living Party Cookbook, is hot off the press, and that just came in this week as well. These will also be online if you're interested in shopping there. And if you're heading to a friend's house or a family member's house for the holiday and you need to take a bottle of something yummy, we've got these good-looking gift bags that you can drop a bottle down into, tie it up with a pretty little ribbon, and it makes a beautiful gift. Also, I want to remind you about Friday, November 16th. That is going to be our holiday open house from 3 until 7. Red Fern Village does what is known as Red Fern Fridays or Fern Fridays, where all the businesses stay open a little later and you can shop in extended hours. So we're going to host our holiday open house that day. We'll have Sea Island Forge here. They'll be setting up a fire pit outside, and I think we may be roasting marshmallows, so bring the kids along. And we have St. Simon's Bottle, who will be here doing a wine tasting. So that should also be really great this week. It's the beginning of the RSM Classic golf tournament here on St. Simon's. The temps are dropping, so you might need something cute and warm to wear. Come see us for that. And I also wanted to tell y'all about this wrap that I have on. If you remember last year, we had a particular version of this wrap. We call it 2-ball wrap, and we absolutely love it, and it is one of our #1 sellers for the holidays. It has the fur on it, but what we love is it has these 2 little puff balls, okay? So, and it has a little loop here. You can stick this through and loop it very easily. It stays in place. It's so easy to wear. There's no tugging, no pulling. These are also on our website. We've already sold through them. We've got a new shipment that's coming in next week for black and red and maybe a camel color. I think that's guess what's coming? So I hope you all have a fantastic week ahead. Please come visit. We love to see all of you when you're here. And if you can't make it to the island, be sure to visit our website. I'll put it at the end of the video so you can link straight to it. Have a great week. Also want to tell you about 4